4 high school boys and 4 high school girls are assigned to 4 middle schools to proctor a math contest. Each middle school needs to have 1 boy and 1 girl. How many ways can the proctors be assigned? Alright, well, let's draw this out. We have 4 middle schools, and I'm just going to draw little boxes to represent each middle school. Alright, and I don't know what their names are, but I'm just going to assign letters A, B, C, and D. Okay, so those are our 4 middle schools. And each middle school needs a girl and a boy. So we need a girl and a boy, a girl and a boy, a girl and a boy, and a girl and a boy. Now, when we go to choose these girls and boys to go out to each middle school and proctor this test, we have 4 girls to choose from, and we have 4 boys to choose from. Okay. So let's say we look at middle school A first, and we say, okay, we gotta choose a girl. Alright, well, we have 4 girls to choose from. And, okay, now we have to choose a boy. We have 4 boys to choose from. Alright, so we can assign these, if we have all these choices for boys and girls, then we have essentially 16 ways to assign girls and boys to the middle school A. Okay, now let's go to the next middle school. We've already assigned 1 girl and 1 boy, so now we only have 3 girls and 3 boys to assign to this middle school. Those are our only choices. Alright. And then when we come to middle school C, we only have 2 girls left and 2 boys left. So those are our choices. We have two choices for the girls, 2 choices for the boys, and then finally when we get down to this last one, there's just 1 girl left and 1 boy left, so really only have 1 choice as far as assigning them. So and the fundamental principle of counting says that we can just multiply these things out to get the total number of ways that all these events can happen. Okay? So the fundamental principle of counting is a good thing to know. It's I think I always spell that wrong. Fundamental principle of counting. Okay, so if you want to look that up and find out more about the fundamental principle of counting, that's an important thing to know. And basically it says that you have a certain number of ways that one event can happen and a certain number of ways that another event can happen, then you can multiply those numbers of ways that those 2 events can happen, and you'll get the number of ways that both of those events can happen together. So, for example, if we had, say we want to choose an outfit to wear to school, and say we have 3 choices for shirts, and so we have 3 shirts and say 4 pants. Okay, then basically we have 3 shirts. So let's say we have shirt A, B, and C. All right, we have those 3 choices for the shirts. And then, once we have our shirts chosen, then we have 4 ways to choose the pants, right? In each one of the shirts, we still have 4 ways to choose the pants, right? So you can see that each one, if you draw that tree, you can see that each one of these branches is going to represent a different outfit, okay? It's going to represent a different combination of shirt and pants, okay? So anyway, that's what this whole thing is based on. So again, we're looking at how many ways do we have to choose the girl and the boy for each of these different schools. And you can see that we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 squared, right? And 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 4 factorial squared. Now 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 24. And we got to square it. So 24 times 24 gives us what? So 96 and 48. Okay, add those up. 6, 7, 5. Okay, so we have 576 ways that we can choose the boys and girls to be proctors for the exams at these 4 middle schools.